Hey Veronica, my name is Lee Turbianic, and I was doing some research in your area and came across your website and noticed a couple major issues. So I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online and fix these issues. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help your business grow, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback at the end of this video, whether it be email or phone call. So let's jump right in. The 3 major things I want to go over today is content, citations, and backlinks. So content is basically anything that you can see on this front page, including the pictures and what they're saved as, that is written. So here's some content, but not much. Google likes to see around 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on a homepage. You got to think, Google is just a crawling website that all it does is read. So if you don't have enough information along with those important keywords throughout your content, it's not really going to know what you're trying to offer, what your company stands for. Therefore, it's not going to rank you according to because you don't have enough information for your clients. So like I said, you guys have roughly 200 words on your homepage. So I did a quick search for plumber, Dallas, Texas. BakerBrothersPlumbing.com is #1 at the moment. So I wanted to see what kind of content they had. And as we scroll down, you could see they have content here, some content. They do have more content, but not much more. Maybe 300 to 400 words on their homepage. So if we were to go out and get 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, which we'll get into the keywords here shortly, on your homepage, you would easily beat them out in that aspect. So let's go back to the Google homepage. Now Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section is Google Ads. Now these companies are paying money to be up here, and it's usually cost per click and can get very expensive. And if you're not ranking in these other 2 sections, a lot of companies run these, but if you are ranking in the top 3 here and on the first page here, there's no need to be running ads because you'll get more than enough traffic from ranking in these other 2 sections. So let's touch base on that. So this middle section here is called the GMB, or Google My Business section. And as you can see, Plumbing Dallas, Texas is a #1. Now what ranks you in this section is what people call a citation. So a citation is your name, your address, and your phone number listed in directories across the web, such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, BBB, Facebook's even one of them. And I have a tool I use called WhiteSpark CA, and this will show me how many citations a website has. So I plugged in Plumbing Dallas, Texas's information, and it's showing me they only have 33 citations to claim that top spot. Now the best part about this tool is we can go in and see all their citation sources and see that these are all submittable. YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook. We can go and grab all these for your business, whichever ones you don't have, and grab the one. And I like to add 100 to 200 more, just so you can get your name out there in more directories, and also go up above these guys in the top 3 and get in this top 3 map pack to get a lot of traffic. I know this is where I go when I'm looking for a company when I need a service. But as you can see, these citations aren't created equally. This domain authority is going to show how trustworthy and how authoritative it is. So YouTube, everybody knows what YouTube is. It's legit. It's a legit domain. It has a domain authority of 100. Now as we go down, trustedpros.com, BizList USA, 25 and 21. They're not well known, so they have low scores. So we want to go after the stronger domain authority citation sources for your website, which I have access to. Grab them and add your listing on those sources, and it's going to power you up above them and get a lot more traffic by getting up in this top 3. So let's go down to this 3rd section, and this is called the organic section. And what ranks you down here is called a backlink. Now you're probably wondering what a backlink is. A backlink is when one website connects to another website or links back to another website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen them on websites before. Maybe you're on a plumbing website and there's blue writing and you click it and it takes you to a completely different website that's maybe offering the same thing. Well, that is considered a backlink, and Google considers them votes. So the more backlinks you have from reputable sources that are relevant to your niche, the more power and more trust flow you'll have in Google's eyes. If you're getting backlinks from Pizza Hut it's not going to be as powerful as another plumbing company giving you a backlink, because Google sees that if one company is willing to send its traffic from its website to another website, that it must be trustworthy. So as you can see, BakerBrothers.com is in first place, and you guys are not on this first page for Plumber, Dallas, Texas, which is hurting you, and I'm going to show you all this here in a minute. So I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and this will show me a basic overview of your site and all its stats. So I typed in Atlas Plumbing, and you guys have a UR of 34 and a DR of 14. Now a UR is the overall power of your website or strength of your website, and the DR is the strength of your backlink profile. So as you can see, just like the citations, backlinks aren't created equal either. So as you can see, you have 1,400 backlinks, but you have a really low DR. Now this goes up to 100. So 14 is kind of low, and you want to keep these numbers as close as possible, like a 34-34 is considered the golden ratio. So you have 102 websites giving you 1,400 backlinks. You're ranking for 71 keywords, and you're getting about 184 traffic. So let's go over to your competitor, which is the Baker Brothers. They have a 3142. They only have 345 backlinks to this plumbing page, coming from 129 websites, but their website's ranking for 2.2 keywords, and they're getting 4,000 traffic. Look at their traffic value from their whole website. This is just their plumbing page. So let's go back and see why that is. So, and let's touch base on this backlinks quick. So just like the citations, we can go into Baker Brothers backlinks, and here they all are, and we know that they're powering him up. So here's all his backlinks sources. If it loads, all these we can go out and submit for your business as well. We know that they're powering his website. He's in first place, so it'll work for you. And there's 7 pages total of backlinks that we can go out and try and get for your business. So let's go back. Now, as we go into your keywords, now this is why it's important to have that 1,500 words on your home page, so we can put these keywords throughout. So as you can see, you're ranking for these 71 keywords, but you're not doing good at position-wise. So let's see. Atlas Plumbing, these are all your name, but these are the general keywords you want. Dallas Plumbing Company, 70 searches for that a month. Plumbing Company Dallas, 90 searches a month, but you're in 15th position. Dallas Plumbing Company Dallas, Texas, 20. Plumbing Companies Dallas, 400 searches. You're in the 28th position for that keyword. So when someone types Plumbing Companies Dallas, you're coming up on almost the 3rd page. But there's 400 people each and every month typing this in. And this is just an estimate. It could be 500. It could be 600. It could be 300. But there's a lot of searches for that monthly. Let's see, 700 searches for Dallas Plumbers. You're in 34th position. Plumber, Dallas, Texas, 600 searches. You're in the 42nd position. That's the 4th page. Page 1 is 0 to 10. Page 2 is 11 to 20. Plumbing Companies, Dallas, Texas, 70 searches a month. You guys have a gold mine of searches, and it's just hurting you that you're not doing any backlinks to your website, not powering it up. You don't have the correct content at the moment. I like the layout, but like I said, you don't have any content, which is hurting, and we would be throwing those special keywords throughout and start adding backlinks to your website or to make it look organically, and over time we would get up in that #1 position, and you're going to see a big drastic change in clients coming to your website. So let's close out and touch base on what we spoke about. The first thing we went over was content, and your front page needs at least 1,500 words so you can fit those important keywords throughout. You could put 1 keyword per every 100 words so we don't get caught for keyword stuffing. The second thing was citations. I'd like to add 100 to 200 to your business listing, your GMB, and beat out these guys by a landslide, and also to get your name out there in more directories so when people look for plumbing services around Dallas, Texas, they can find you. And then the third thing we talked about was backlinks, and that's what ranks you in this organic section. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route, and want to save yourself the time, just give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. And remember, any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just shoot me an email back that you received and watched the video, or give me a call. I'm always available 24/7. Thank you, and have a great day.